morning, children. Good afternoon, parents. So today I am here to explain you regarding the online classes. All of you know that during the COVID-19 pandemic, all schools are closed and the students are depending on only the online classes or virtual classes. So school has already sent the timetable, class timetable in the respective WhatsApp group of the students, and I hope that dear parents, you have to see that the timetable that is provided to the students, they are following the timetable or not. Our virtual classes timing, it is starting from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. 50 minutes each period, and there is a 10 minutes break, because break is important thing since the student cannot sit continuously 4 hours in one place. Therefore, the timetable have set accordingly, break for 10 minutes in each period interval. So one thing more is that I have observed that many students, they are not attending the virtual classes. Either they are not taking it serious, or they have some net problem maybe, or smart problem maybe. It may be for any reason. But dear parents, you are now act as a teacher at home. Just like at school, when the students are coming to school, we are taking the lot of cares. Like this, you have to take the care of the students at home. You have to watch accordingly the timetable, the student is attending the classes or not, and if any type of a problem for net supporting or any other, then please you should help your work, because without your cooperation, without your effort, the child will not be go ahead. Because last year we have seen the same problem, and this year also we are observing the same problem also. So it is important now, the virtual class is more important, and the students should be regular to attend the online classes. And how they will attend the classes? Now if you will guide them. So it is require your support to the children. So if any child for any reason is not attending the class, then as a parent you have to ask what is the problem, is any difficulty you are facing, and how the child will get all the supports. That is the important thing for you. I hope that you will take care of it, and the chapters of each subject already started, and books are not available, but the teachers will provide you PDF of the book, so you can download the PDF, and then accordingly whatever the teachers are teaching, so the student will follow the same thing. And one thing more, after the online classes, so it is required that a writing practice, which is more important, because when class 10 and class 12 offline exam was going on, at that time I have observed that many students, their writing was very slow. It is due to that they have not practiced writing at home for 1 year like this. So every day writing practice, whatever the teacher will teach, same thing You have to write at home once again and make the separate copy of each subject, and accordingly whatever the teacher have taught, there are things you have to practice at home. And mathematics, science and social science, it is required heavy practice every day. If you not practice mathematics at home, then at the time of exam you will not be able to solve all the problems, because time management, that is the more important thing. And I request to all of you that please you have to see that what your child is doing at home. Is he following strictly the timetable or not? If not attending the classes, then you have to suggest and you have to sit with the child also, encourage the child. More thing is that your support means you have to encourage. That is the more important thing. And for the online classes, it is required that a regular exercise also. Before the online classes will start, student will get up 1 hour before and do all the personal work, then eat for the regular exercise, then can sit for the online classes. I hope that when I will check again, I will see that a maximum students of my school are attending the regular classes, and after 15 days we will also take the test also by Google Meet. We will take the test and we will see that how you are doing in the exam. So all the students, I hope that you have to take care of yourself and you will not go outside, and stay at home and take proper prevention, because this COVID-19, we have to win from COVID-19. That is the more important thing. And parents, take care of yourself and your child also. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you all.